Well, here we are. First day of spring planting. We have worked very hard at getting this planter ready to go with all the new little upgrades and bells and whistles to get it back up to 21st century spec. So stay tuned. We're gonna go to the field. It's fueling up right now, and we're gonna go plant some corn. Maybe with the several days of good weather, we can really blitzkrieg it. Really be nice to get 200-300 acres of corn done in between now and Saturday. So let's give it a good try. Hoorah! Here come the corn meters. All right. So me and Isaac got the planter all together. Today's Eclipse Day, by the way. How'd you look at the sun? Did you do it the way the government said you could do it? You gotta buy the special glasses.
I don't really pay attention to the government.
You can't use welding masks because they might not be good enough.
Oh crap.
Yeah. So you know what I did? I took 3 different pairs of sunglasses and then popped the lens out of one of them. So I stacked 4 lenses on top of each other, and well, I could still see everything right now.
No, it's a little bit painful right now. This is an experience.
What if I just sneeze?
Ow! I'm seeing spots right now.
So anyway, we're ready to put the seed meters in the planter and hit the field. Honestly, I'm thinking tomorrow. Might as well. I've got a window. Take it, weather's good. Temperatures are right. Got the new Kinsey spiked closing wheels. That'll help collapse the soil into the seed trench better for better seed to soil contact. Isaac has gone for the last week, but we really made a good push of getting stuff ready to go the week prior to that. So here, I'll take it. So of course we redid all new bushings and stuff for the parallel arms. Isaac went through and tightened everything to spec. I had to heat treat or anneal these, which is what the seed box rotates on. But yeah, that's kind of where we're at right now. Mount the boxes on here pretty quickly. For that, we got to air up tires and grease, if we even have enough grease. Got to mess around with the height sensor. Got to mess around with the height of the trash wheels. Pulling in the field right now. Put it in neutral. Everybody's doing all these controlled burns today. There and over there. All right, so since we got it unfolded, I'm gonna take these stops off. Planter down. There we go. So when we come back out here, we'll lock all these guys together. And we undo that center link. And we open that up so the planter has flex. So that wing can flex up and down, and this wing can flex up and down. And then we tighten these up. So we have, essentially we'll have 6 rows of flex on this side and 6 rows of flex on that side. So for all you that don't know with the farming, it's all the terraces, which we call contoured farming. That's why we've got to have the flex on the planter, because a 12 row straight 12 row rigid 12 row is not going to cut it in these hills. So you can see the terraces behind me. We're on a flat hilltop here. Down here you can see the valley. See them burning over there, like I said, but you got terrace here, terrace there, terraces over there. Out by my house you can see terraces across the road all the way up to the top of the hill. Go back and watch some of my videos on terraces. Been a while. May have to do a little bit of a brushing up on our farming how-tos and farming education, for that matter. But why we do things the way we do them. So I welded parts of that cylinder, hopefully to stop the leaking. And of course I got it dirty when I was doing that, so it looks like it's leaking all over the place, but that's not the case. I do want to see if I fixed it though. I believe I did. We're gonna head to town now. Poo. Let's see. We'll probably lay that guy down. Yeah. You got 10H 24. Yep. Okay. Oh, these are okay. So you could do Liberty or Roundup. Okay.
Yeah, pretty much stuff from
Bada bing, bada boom. I think we were gonna go with. I got the notes here. 09 Z08. I think we're gonna do on the hilltop ish, and then the other one we do on the slopes. Okay, ready to go. I actually went home and got sweet corn, and I got that in the boxes here. We're gonna plant that out, get a couple I don't know if we'll even be able to make it 100 feet, probably not. But one thing I forgot to do to show you was this needs to be switched from fold, as in fold up the planter, to marker. Then the markers will be able to be operational. We're gonna try planting some corn here. We gotta figure out how we want this to lay out here. Okay. There we go. I think we're finally ready to go.